Hey, this is Mark Elliott from Venture Accelerator Partners, back with another video. This one is on using a CRM for sales rep management. I'm a big believer in communication plans with your salespeople, and one of the best of those activities is a one-on-one meeting. And for me, using the CRM in that one-on-one meeting is key, and usually takes up a majority of the time. So here are a few of the ways I use a CRM for that one-on-one meeting for sales rep management. One is I always start with deals. So let's go take a look at the deals. Ones that are closer to closing, where are we with those deals? Strategic accounts, where are we with those deals? Larger opportunities, where are we with those deals? What has moved or changed since the last meeting? Also making sure, we use HubSpot primarily, but on HubSpot, the board view of deals gives you great information right from there. Gives you the close date, the revenue, of course, but also tells you when the last activity was completed and when the next activity is planned. And I always want to see, close dates being accurate. I always want to see future activities planned. And I can also dig into the details behind those the deals as well during the meeting or as preparation for the meeting. So deals, super important, and I always start there. If for your organization you might have some targets on new contacts or new accounts that you're reaching out to, and your BDR, your salesperson, is doing the research and setting those up. So you can go and look how many contacts were created, how many companies were created, and so you can use that to help manage the activity load, and also make sure that they're doing the things at the beginning of the deal pipeline that need to happen to spit out deals, close sales at the end. Look at activities, a few different things. One is, are they up to date on their tasks? At VA Partners, we also like to create a queue in our tasks for deals. So really want to make sure they're on top of the task associated with their deals. They're doing it when they're supposed to be. All those kind of things. Again, in your CRM, you probably have a great view for some dashboards and reports, and you can see in those dashboards, hey, how many emails, how many calls, are they doing the right things? Are they making sure they're doing calls as well as just emails? So again, a lot of great information there on how they're spending their time and the different tasks and how that aligns to your expectations. It's great for, not just, hey, here's what we're doing, but also personal development. So again, you get to say, hey, we seem to be getting deals through to the demo stage, but they're not progressing from there. Why is that? And again, you can then focus on specific personal development for your salesperson, maybe based on how deals are unfolding. Maybe they're slow to put contacts into the system, so maybe they need some work on research. Maybe they're getting stuck, as I said, in deals. So or demos, what are they doing after the demo to make sure we're following up? Are we missing questions or next steps on the demo? Maybe we're rushing to demos when really we should spend more time collect information and qualifying the opportunity at the discovery call. So hopefully you're using your CRM to manage your sales rep as part of that activity. If you need some insight or have some questions on it, feel free to reach out. I'd love to talk to you more about it. Thanks. Mark Elliott here from Venture Accelerator Partners.